My dog just ate a cicada shell. In this video, I'm going to be trying Japanese snacks. The first one I'm going to try is this. It's really light, like, oh, if you're wondering what the ingredients are, these are the ingredients. See? Now you know. Okay, let's go. Oh, it looks like a Twinkie, kind of. It's like 50% air. This is a really weird snack. It tastes like, I don't even know what it tastes like. It tastes really weird. It has a texture of a Cheeto Puff. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. Next up on our list is these. I don't know what that's supposed to say. Okay. Here we go. This looks like a dried up meatball. I don't like that at all. Oh God. Let's see if Coco likes it. Coco, do you want some? Here, you can have it. Do you like that? Okay, now you can get down. This is not my favorite at all. Next thing I'll be trying is this. Look. It even comes with a toothpick. Okay. They're cherry flavored. Oh, I just dropped the toothpick. 5-second rule. Okay. I feel so proper eating this without my hands and with the toothpick. It tastes like nothing. A very bland cherry flavor, but it's good. I mean, I'll eat all of it. Next thing I'll be trying is this. It looks like it's gonna get you high. Like, look at that fruit on here. No, it seems suspicious. Smells good. Oh, it's like a lollipop dipped in powder. Look. Do not eat this inside. You will make a mess. The lollipop flavor is really different. I like it. It's very fruity. This is a win for me. Okay, I need to stop eating this before I get high. Next thing we'll be trying is panda candy. There's tic-tac-toe in the back too. What the heck? Oh, I broke it. Okay, here's what it looks like when it's unbroken. It's a panda. It's pretty good. It tastes like vanilla. It tastes like a vanilla wafer, but better. It's panda flavored. I just spilled candy everywhere in the box and I have to look for it. The next thing I'll be trying is this tiny little thing. It looks like a Japanese version of Nerds. How do you open this? Can't get the plastic off. How do you open this? Am I gonna have to get scissors? Oh my God, this is so hard to open. I can't even tear through the plastic. I don't want to get scissors. It's all the way inside. Oh, there's a tab right here. It's orange flavored. It has like the texture of gum, but you can swallow it. The last thing I'll be trying is this. I don't know if it's jelly or there's Power Rangers on the front too. Oh, it is Jello-like. Look. Almost dropped it. Look. This is Jello. It's pretty good.